Sometimes I'm just in a hurry, just like you are in the morning. I gotta go to work. I gotta get ready, but I wanna have something healthy to eat and I gotta have it to go. So I came up with this great soaked oats breakfast. They're becoming very popular and I thought I'd show you what one of these looks like. So let's get started. First, I took my half a cup of rolled oats in my pint jar, right there. I'm going to take a half a cup of almond milk and I'm just going to add that in. Next, I'm going to take my vanilla and I'm going to take 1 teaspoon and top it with that. We're talking fast nutrition here. We're going to take our chia seeds and we're going to add our chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon is all you need. Super high in protein and fiber. Next, we're going to add our maple syrup. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. This is what gives it kind of that French toast taste. And our final ingredient is going to be just a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's up to you if you want to add more. Next, we're going to take a lid right here. We're just going to put it on top and then we're going to give it a shake until we make sure all the dry ingredients are mixed. That looks so delicious. In the morning, this will all be soaked up and we're going to have a delicious breakfast. Let's put this in the fridge. So we're here now. Look at this. It's solid. We're going to dish it into our dish. You can just take the jar right to work and just eat it as you go. But we're going to take it and we're going to put our mixture into our bowl here. I don't feel the need to add any milk or any topping as far as dairy milk or non-dairy milk. I kind of like it just like that. But look what I found. I found some cashews. And those are beautiful. Let's toss some of those on top. Like that. And I found some figs. Yay! Figs are full of fiber and all sorts of great nutrients. Let's slice some of those up on top and put them in, and what wonderful nutrition this is. We'll add 2 of those. Look at that. That is a beautiful breakfast. At home or at work, this is amazing food. Are you ready to taste this? I am. We're gonna taste it together. This looks so good and I know it's good because I've made it before and you're gonna love this. Let's just take a little bite here. Add a little fig to that. Look at that. We don't just want to swallow, we want to chew and chew and chew. But this is not that chewy because it's soaked overnight. You've got to try this. You saw how simple it is. You want to have nutrition, you want to have it fast and on the go. This is it, overnight soaked oats.